Create another Instagram account in less than 2 minutes. Open the Instagram app on your phone. In the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. Now tap the hamburger menu at the top. Scroll all the way down until you find the Login section. Tap on Add Account. In the pop-up, select Create New Account. Now type in the username you want. Just make sure the username gets a green tick, meaning it's available. Tap Next. Then select Use Mobile Number or Email. It is time to set a password for your account. Enter a password that is easy to remember, but hard for others to guess. Next, use the scroll wheels below and set your birthday. Tap on Next. Type in your email address and tap Next. Then, enter the verification code you received on the email. Agree to the terms. And you can now set a profile picture for your account. Let's choose something from the camera roll. Select a photo from the gallery and tap Done. And just like that, your new Instagram account is ready. Follow and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.